there, guys. My name is the cat, and what I want to do today is quickly. Okay, guys. So, my mouse. Oh no, my mouse. My mouse is showing. Game settings. How do I get the mouse off? How do I get the mouse off? Whatever. You're just gonna have to do it with the mouse. Oh no, wait. The mouse is gone. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. So today we are going to be killing this little hare really quickly. Okay, guys. Today we are not going to be going to we're not going to be going to Sloth Creek because we will be getting to 15,000 experience. So we have to get up to 15,000 experience, guys. You know why I want to do that? I want to get up to 15,000 experience, and we're not even close. You know why? So I can get a white puppy. Today, guys, I'm going to, not today, but when we have our puppies, there's going to be a white puppy if we get 15,000 experience, and we're only at 1,505 experience. So we need how many more? 14,000 experience. And how are we going to do that? Cougars, bears, elk, and wolves, and coyotes, and hares. Everything we can find to get to 15,000. So we're going to get a white puppy when we have our pups, if we get to 15,000. So yeah, guys. And I'm so excited to do this. Okay. So we are going to go over here, chase off maybe 2 or 3 wolves. Then we will go down here, hunt a few elk. Wait, is that elk? No. Yeah, it is elk. So maybe we'll kill a bull elk. Then you get actually, let's do that now. We're gonna kill a bull elk. Let's kill a bull elk, guys. I think we have enough. Yeah, let's try and kill a bull elk, guys. Okay. I'm gonna kill this bull elk really quick. It's not gonna be really quick, guys. It's gonna be this entire video is gonna be based off trying to kill this bull elk. Okay. Okay, let's go eat off of a carcass really quick. And then we'll go back and try to kill the bull elk. Alright, guys, I don't think we're gonna get this bull elk. We're gonna try to get this bull elk because I really want to get this bull elk down. I have killed a bull elk, but let's try to do it. Alright, our mate is healed. Fawn is healed. Now let's go back to the hunt. Where's the bull elk? There's Fawn. Mr. Bully, we're coming. Where's that stupid little bull? I want to kill that guy. I want to get him. I want to get him. I want to get him good. Get him good. Where'd that bull go? There he is. Mr. Bull, you're not gonna survive, mister. This is good. Let's go over to our nearest oak carcass. Which is this one. We're gonna kill this. I feel like we're gonna take this bull elk down. We can do this, guys. I feel like we can do it. We're gonna take him down. I feel like we can take him down. We just gotta, you know, try. My mate is healed. There she is. Hello, Fawn. Let's go back to that bull elk that we were trying to take down and murder. I bet there's 2 bull elks in this one herd. 1 bull elk. There's only 1. That bull elk's running. Yep, there's the bull elk. He's running. We got him running. Guys, this is a bull elk. We've never had a bull elk run. Fawn, go. Go, Fawn. We can take this bull elk down together, Fawn. I believe in us, Fawn. We've never had a bull elk run. Okay, I'm gonna go get some more food. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go get. Actually, no, we're not gonna get more food. We're gonna take this guy down. We'll get more food when we really need it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go get some more food. Oh, guys, I'm so confident. I think we can take him down. And it gives us 200 experience for taking down a bull elk. Oh, we can do this, guys. I feel like we can do this. I feel really confident. Come on, go kill the bull elk if you're healed. Where'd that Mr. Bull go? Hello. There he is. Look at him. Look at him. He's in between the trees. Trying to get back to his herd. That ain't happening. That's not even your herd. Wait, actually. Yeah, that's not even your herd, you stupid bull. I think they already have a bull. I'm sorry, but that's not your herd. Fine, we can do this if you help. Yes. Get him. Fine. Come on. That's fun. It's a bull. It's a bull. We can take this bull down. Fun. You can turn him around. Fun. Turn him around. Fun. Turn him around. Yes. Oh. There's food this way. I feel really confident. He's almost dead. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. I'm sorry, this video is going to be like 30 minutes long. Oh, but I feel confident that we can take this bull down. Okay, Fawn tilt. I see that bull. I see him. Saw him at the corner of my eye. He's up here. Yep, there he is. Mr. Bull, you're trying to get back to your herd. You can't just do what me and Fawn. Me and Fawn are gonna take you out. He's almost dead. We can take this. We can take him down, guys. I'm so confident. We're stalking the wolf in its natural habitat. He's going to get some more food to take out the bull elk that is like 50 times its size. And the food is over here, and I believe this wolf can do this. I haven't done that in a long time, guys. Like, last time I killed a bull elk was when I had my old computer. And that was a year ago. I have not taken down a bull elk for so long. And it feels so good to get back into the bull elk killing for spree. I got this, guys. Me and Fawn got this. Hello, bull. There's Fawn. Alright. What carcass did you get off of? Oh. Where's the bull? There he is. We got this. We killed him! We got 482. We killed him! We killed the bull! Guys, we killed the bull! We killed the bull! Oh my gosh. We killed it. We killed that bull elk. I feel like we can take out another bull. And we just eat off of this bull carcass. Let's do that, guys. Actually, no, let's just go and chase off some other wolves. But that was awesome. Fawn, good job. Fawn, good job. Just good job. Guys, I am so happy right now. Oh, we took out a bull. I haven't taken out a bull in years. Oh, that felt so good. Okay, guys. Oh, that was awesome. I feel so good now. Oh, I took out a bull. I took out a bull today. I'm so happy. It's auto-saving. Thanks. I'm not going to be here much longer, I don't think, if we keep killing bull elks. Alright, guys. So, that was just a quick little video. So, I'm sorry for the short video. But yeah, guys, I don't know what else to say except bye, guys. See you later.